And this ukulele play along, we're just going to do Lava. We're just going to play along with the backing track. It's going to be killer. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's only 3 chords. You can do it. Join with me. This is one of the best ukulele songs ever written. All right, I'm Terry Carter. Welcome to Uke Like the Pros. And if you're new to the channel, well, you know what we do here, don't you? Uke Like the Pros. We do ukulele tutorials, reviews, challenges, giveaways. We do give away Aloha ukuleles, by the way, which I'm playing right now. I'll talk more about that in a second. But if you're new or haven't done so, please subscribe, turn on that bell notification. Make sure, I forgot, smash that like button if you're digging what we're doing here. All right, Lava, great song, written on ukulele, sung, and yeah, it's a great song. I mean, fantastic. Send me someone to Lava. I love those, like, love, lava. It's just fantastic. What a great song. Anyway, if you need help with the tutorial, like with the chords, it's only 3 chords. But anyway, if you need help with the chords, the strum pattern, all that kind of stuff, I do have a full tutorial that will link to this video if you want to learn that. But this one, we're just going to get started here in a second and play along with it. If you need, even though everything's on the screen, if you need the lyrics and chords, we'll put a link to that. You can go sign up for that for free over at ukelelethepros.com. And if you want the backing track, which we have, which is a killer backing track, head on over to our Patreon page, patreon.com/ukelelethepros. We're going to give that to all our Patreons. All right. I'm playing my Aloha soprano. What? Is there even proof of Uke Like the Pros even having a soprano? There is. But anyway, I just got this one from Aloha because I was like, you know what? I want a soprano. And what a perfect timing. It just came a few days ago. I do have LR bags put into it. And for this song, it just sounds great on this standard, small, traditional soprano ukulele. If you dig these, make sure to check out store.ukelelethepros.com. All right, you ready? Let's just dive in. Follow along, sing, have fun. It's a good time. It's a kind of a long track. So get comfortable and let's do Lava. 1, 2, intro, and a long, long time ago, there was a volcano living all alone in the middle of the sea. He sat high above his bay, watching all the couples play, and wishing that he had someone too. And from his lava came this song of hope that he sang out loud every day for years and years. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish the earth, see the sky up above, will send me someone to Lava. Years of singing all alone turned his lava into stone until it was on the brink of extinction. But little did he know that living in the sea below, another volcano was listening to his song. Every day she heard his tune, her lava grew and grew because she believed his song was meant for her. Now she was so ready to meet him above the sea as he sang his song of hope for the last time. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth, see the sky up above, will send me someone to Lava. Rising from the sea below stood a looking all around, but she could not see him. He tried to sing to let her know that she was not alone. Be no lava, his song was all gone. He filled the sea with his tears and watched his dreams disappear as she remembered what his song meant to her. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth, see the sky up above, will send me someone to lava. Oh, they were so happy to finally meet above the sea. All together now their lava grew and grew. No longer were they all alone with Aloha as their new home. And when you visit them, this is what they sing. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you'll go with me and I'll go with you. We thank the earth, see the sky, we thank too. I love you. I love you. I love you. All right, how did you do on that one? Leave a comment below. I did pretty good. Not perfect. I'm not perfect. I usually always screw up some lyrics, maybe a chord here and there, but we're going to go with it. But comment below, one being, you're struggling with it, maybe the rhythm, the timing, the strum pattern, whatever. 5 being, no problem with the chords, no problem with the strum pattern, no problem with the lyrics. You got it all. Anyway, leave those comments below. So anyway, I appreciate you being here. Don't forget, we'll put a link if you want all the stuff you saw on the screen, the chords and the lyrics. We'll put a link below for that. ukulelethepros.com. Come on over, grab that music, and just check out what we have. Memberships, courses, come be part of Ukulele Pros Nation. And then again, if you want the backing track, head on over to patreon.com/ukulele-pros. That's going to do it for me. Thanks for being here. Be safe. Take care of one another, and we'll see you next time.